as far as Tesla goes. Now you can see without even knowing earnings for this week, the expected moves considerably jumped up for these. So you know they're pricing in earnings. All right, Tesla 131.56. Now I will say, as far as Tesla goes, the one thing I'm nervous about is what Elon's going to say. And I think everybody is, but you guys have to remember Elon has already been through this almost going bankrupt before. And so when he talks about recession, he has that PTSD, probably more CPTSD would be a, I'm not a psychiatrist or a psychologist. Anyway, if you have it, you know what I'm talking about. But if he comes out and gives the bunker down speech because we are kind of thing, I think that could spook some people and really send this thing down. Now, a lot of people are invested in this, not because of their cars, but because of the pipeline and things to come. So it'll be interesting to see the whole reaction to this. The cool thing is if there is a bullish, I will say if there's any sell off, it's probably not going to be that big. Like, what is he going to come out and say that isn't already priced in, talked about, or already well known? I feel like if you are going to sell this, you probably already have sold. So, not that I'm bullish this particular earnings, but if there's going to be a surprise, I think it is to the upside. So, I haven't taken a play yet. But I might I might just go super cheap and grab some, maybe some 159, 160 call spreads. Yeah, out of the money. Pay a few bucks. They'll be worth 100 at close if it just gets above 160. And I might just do that for this week. It's very much a roulette trade, right? It's going to be green or red. That's it. So I might take some of that in case there is that surprise to the upside. But they already have deliveries, so we already kind of know where everything's at, and I do have puts sold on it still. So I don't know. There's really not much I can say responsibly about earnings. I hope you guys know that. If you're looking for me for a direction, I'll give you my opinion, but earnings are earnings. There's going to be an announcement. It's going to go up or down, and that's that. So if you're in this, it's a I'll see you on the other side play. So this is going to announce Tuesday. We'll see where you're at Wednesday, right? There's kind of no other way to put it. There's no stop losses or anything like that. Anything. Who does is already priced in. Tesla has sold off a lot. Now, to be clear, I'm not saying it can't sell off anymore, but do we see an absolute meltdown? It's not zero as far as your chances go. Absolutely could. My personal opinion is I think it's either sell off a little bit, a dud, or if there's anything green at all, the dip buy crowd just comes in and pushes it. I think small red, medium red, or large green is going to be how that shakes out for me.